The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Very good Tuesday morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, November 23rd. Chris, good morning. Jim in San Diego. John, guys, good morning. Good morning. Well, Daniel, good morning. Missed a hell of a sell-off yesterday afternoon. Becky, good morning. Same to you. Deepak, good morning. Guys, coming into the session, NASDAQ is now down 42. ES basically flat, down 2.5. YM up 22 points. Russell down a couple. Yeah, I missed it. I had to go to the airport. We have had two bot trades so far this morning. Both have occurred in the gold, on the gold bot. Trade number one was target one only on the long, winning trade there. We now have trade number two on with a runner. We could get a bounce here, but gold is getting hindered by both the dollar yields and the Powell nomination, which the speculation now is that they may raise interest rates much quicker than anticipated. So we have two bot trades so far. Bot is up $380 pending the completion of this trade. Yesterday was an interesting day with the bot. We had not one Russell trade, but we had two ES trades and not a Russell trade, which was interesting. In any event, guys, we're here. Today is Tuesday. This will be the last day in the room for the week. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. This is the last trade session for me for the week. As I stated yesterday, I will be gone tomorrow. I will be celebrating with my family our Thanksgiving tomorrow. And Thursday, of course, is Thanksgiving, and then Friday's half a day. The markets will be open till 1, but I will not be here on Friday. I may be around a bit in the morning. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to go 5 days and not trade. That's a long. I'll be like an addict. I'll be on the floor twitching. I may get some trading in Friday morning. I'm not going to open the room, but I will probably be on member Skype early Friday. I will definitely be fishing on Saturday. Yeah. That'll be the last Saturday for a bit, I think. In any event, guys, we're here. My expectations are that we will probably continue this move down. I could be, dead wrong, but looking at pre-market, Apple is basically flat, down 17 cents. Facebook's off $1.35. Tesla is the lone bright spot at the moment, up $13, call it. Amazon's down $7.50. Netflix down. Nvidia's down again. Google's down small. Moderna's off basically flat. Square's down. Most everything is red. So it's going to be an interesting day. Currently, looking at the NASDAQ, we do have small net buying in the NASDAQ. We've traded 116,000 contracts. So we are well above average with small net buying. Right? Normally we come in, we have about 68,000 contracts traded, give or take. We are at 116 with small net buying. Not much of a, no bounce really. Overnight high looks like 375. Let's see here. 414. Overnight high is 414, I guess. So we may get a bounce early in the morning. We do have some small buyers in here. There was a long here at 47.5. And we could target back up around 66. We'll probably go 64 from here. and maybe 82. ES, also very high volume with very small net buying. Gold is getting shellacked again, new day low, 2,300 sellers. I'll take a look at some other charts in a moment. Crude actually has some small buying on heavy volume as well. My daughter got in town. Yep. Her flight was a bit late, but she did get into town. She's here. And then my son gets into Atlanta. So I have to drive to Atlanta. I have to leave here about 6 a.m. And he comes in at, I think his flight lands at 8:30. That's why I won't be here tomorrow. YM getting a bounce. Natural gas has had a very big bounce with a gap up. And copper, small net sellers. Russell. Everything's getting a small bounce, guys. I'm not sure that these bounces will last. Out on the runner on gold, which puts the bot at this point up 750. Yesterday, the bot closed up 780. In any event, we're here. We'll trade. We trade what we see, and we'll see what we get. Yeah, heavy volume across the board. I would expect at the open we may get delayed quotes and freezing, etc. That would not be uncommon. I mean, we do have heavy volume again. I would suggest if you folks are trading, you may want to trade smaller positions. If you're trading one contract, you may wish to, I'll look at it in a second, Mimi. You may wish to trade micros. If you are a 3-contract trader, you may wish to trade 1 or 2. But I do expect that volume will be heavy, at least for the first 30 minutes. So would not be uncommon for the Ninja platform to freeze and or lock up. Anybody have any questions? If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. I want to remind you that while today is the last day in the room, the link that you have is good for next week. So your trial will end next Friday. No one's trial ends this week. Copper looks longs to me. We're going to have to work to get above 4,300, and we can trade 46. NASDAQ at the moment is shorts. NASDAQ at the moment is in shorts. Small time frame. Yeah, gold. Let me see what I see on gold. Natural gas I like. I like natural gas long. Crude. I'm sure you guys have all read that the U.S. and other countries are coordinating to release from their strategic reserves. I'm sure that'll force OPEC's hand, I say facetiously. Wait till they come out and say we're cutting. Yeah, I cannot buy gold here at 88. I cannot. I think gold is headed to... Gold has support here at 88. If this does not hold, I think we're coming 1770 on gold. 1771 to be specific. Or as my son used to say when he was little, to be Pacific. We're getting a small bounce off of a pivot on gold at this 88 area. But if it blows, I think it's going to get smoked. It's below the 100. The only thing that may stop gold is on the cloud. It's sitting, well, we're sitting on we're sitting on the 50-day. We're below the 100, sitting on the 50. If this blows, there's nothing to stop it till it gets to the top of the cloud on the daily. That's what I see on gold. 95 bounced it initially. Nice little bounce at 95, which was the 100, but I would think, and I'm not looking at bonds, I'm going to take a look at bonds. They're probably also getting. Morning, Keith. Yeah. Looks like the 30-year, if it were to close here, would close below the cloud on the daily. God, I missed a big trade yesterday. On the hourly, bonds shorted 4 hours ago. I'm going to have to start getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Trade with Greg. In any event, we're here. We'll make the best of it. We'll try to make our money today as usual. Yeah, crude was a great trade yesterday. We had some nice trades yesterday. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. If you guys are long crude, maybe 97 for a first target. Guys, the next order flow class will be the second week of January. If you are interested, please email me. There's 96. Yeah, not this week. I had hoped to do it this week, but it's too short a week for me. There you go, guys. You may want to reduce some risk, your prerogative. Big trade in crude. Today's my last day, Paul. I have order flow class at noon today. If you guys are in order flow class today, noon, the link was sent. If you do not have it, please email me. All right, gold, you're getting a bounce. Yeah, there's an afternoon session today. Today's a regular day, Ed. And I got your email. I just didn't have time to email you back yet. I will. I'll do that when I close the room today. And we have an unfinished auction back here at 61. All right, opening ranges are in for copper and gold. $92.6 on gold. If you have the gumption to want to take a long, $92.6, I'll mark it. And the short would be probably the low of the day, 84, which I don't dig. 83.9. There's your opening range in gold. It's funny because I can't get my indicator to plot on these charts. I don't know why. There's copper. I said it was long. Take a look around here, guys. Yeah, still can't short NASDAQ, but it's getting close. YM looks bid. YM is going to give you a long to at least 825 and possibly 673. I'm sorry, 625 and 673. ES can also go long if we can go hourly up through 682. Russell can get to 39 to 44. Crude is going 77.51. 77.50. Did he give a long on it, Mimi? All right, guys, 9 a.m. Yeah, I would hold that sucker, Daniel. You're well into the money. Bot trade on gold. First target only so far. That is trade number 3 on gold. Anybody have any questions, guys? So copper went up through its opening range high. Big move on copper. If anybody caught that, that's why I put the lines on the chart. Crude's opening range low is 77. Let's see here. 25. You mean the volume? When you say trade numbers, volume? That is the opening range low on crude, and the current opening range high is 77. Jesus, 93. High of the day. There's your crude. All right, guys. We have 30 seconds, guys, to the open. Bots are up $900 at this point. Here comes the NASDAQ right down. We're off. We are off. Some small buyers here. YM, it's going to that target I gave you guys. It's hit first target at 25, 625. YM can go 673. YM can go 673. Watch NASDAQ below 21 for a short. NASDAQ below 20. NASDAQ's going to short. Right here, 21, 21, 21 short NASDAQ. That's what I got. Target number 1 will be 04. Target number 1 is 04. Come on, Daddy dog. Come on. Come on. 04, target 1. Let's go. 04. Come on. We got the 6, 4. Target 1 hit. Target 1 hit. Target 1 is hit. Watch the SPY. Watch Apple. Apple and SPY are both coming to their areas if you guys trade options. Apple is there. It's got to break 160 half. It came to 160.54. So watch Apple, watch SPY if you trade. NASDAQ got target 1. ES is short. ES is short now. 74.75. Target number 1 on ES is going to be 71. Target 1 is 71. Target 1 is 71. We hit 72.75. Come on, let's go, ES. There's your SPY. $71 target hit on the ES if you shorted ES. NASDAQ is still going. Apple shorted if you're short Apple. If you guys are short NASDAQ, you should still be short NASDAQ. You should still be short ES. And if anybody took either the Apple puts or SPY puts, you're in the money. We have a bot trade. I am short SPY puts, or I have bought SPY puts. Target 1 on Russell. Here is the SPY trade I gave you guys. There's the Apple trade I gave you guys. Okay? Anybody take puts in either SPY or Apple? Okay. Little bounce in the SPY. Here's your bot trade. Gold is up through its opening range, and so is crude. Here comes second target on the Russell bot. Not quite, but coming. Hit second target, didn't, there it is, second target filled on RTY. ES holding some support on the 10-minute and small hourly support. If that breaks, we go 658 if you're short ES. Out on the Russell final contract. NASDAQ getting a bounce. All right, guys, let's see what we can do here. We have 2,100 sellers, but we had 1,100 buyers come in this. Let me take a look around here, guys. NASDAQ, I have no interest in longs. YM is reversed. YM and ES look the same. Russell may actually get a bounce long. Russell may get a bounce long. Gold, nothing. Crude, I told you, 78.50. It's going to 78.50. Crude. Nothing on gas. And nothing in copper is longs. I said that earlier today, and copper went up through its opening range high. 78.50 target on gold. I'm sorry, crude. We're still honking around, guys. 2,000 net sellers. Going to get a small short again in NASDAQ. Probably down to 30. Let's see here. Yeah, I've seen it. Crude was the trade of the day. There goes Russell. I like Russell long. Russell long. RT. Come on, I don't have a damn Dom. All right, guys. I'm late on Russell, but There's Russell. Target on Russell is 39 is target 1. 39. Call it 30, 38. Nice job, Caleb. And Q. Yeah, crude is just insane. Got another auction to get at 78.86. We got my 50 target. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Come through. Come on. Long NASDAQ. Target 1 filled NASDAQ. Target 1 filled NASDAQ. Free trade here, fellas. I'm going to try to get to 400 on the NQ. I'm waiting for NQ to try to go hourly up. Okay, out on the runner on the NASDAQ. Gold is backing off. I have no. There's a bot trade. Hang on, guys. Hang on, fellas. 1 second. Out. There's my 95 target on ES if anybody took that long. Watch for the rug pull. I mean, maybe they can keep buying. I don't know. I got to tell you. Yesterday's, I do think so. I mean, yesterday was a huge bearish engulfing candle. I'm just really surprised that there is no follow through here. Crude, I'd like to get 71 anyways on this runner, 71. If anybody is short crude. NASDAQ, ES, they flipped. Gold, nothing. Still got Russell going with a really nice runner. Guys, it's a great day already. It's a freaking great day. If we come down through this swing, we should get it, and maybe more. We hammered him on the long. We got the shorts early. Got the longs. Got crude. Now the easy money's been made. If crude drops down below the whole number, it's going to be, I think, really good. All right, we may get a short here now at NASDAQ. Let me look at these other ones. Out on Russell. Yeah, I had 20 and I closed it. I got puffed on it, but if it starts to roll over, I'll hit it with 50. But what I won't do is buy today's expiration. If I would have bought Friday's expiration, I probably would have held that trade. It's starting to roll over. Damn it, missed a short on NASDAQ right here, 94. Now it's starting to roll over. You dirty dog. Here comes our crude. Sellers right back in, guys. Gold is shorts if it breaks below 88. Damn it. I missed this turn on NASDAQ. SPY is coming right back down. Here comes crude to our next target, guys. $76. I'm looking for that to break. Now we can drop stop down to 01. Lock in 15 ticks. 15 ticks. Okay. Boy, I missed a trade, didn't I? Dang. Nice job, Keith. I mean, I can only do so much, right? Got a great trade going in crude. You can take your risk off if you want crude. Watch this drop here. I'm going to try a NASDAQ short, guys. I'm going to try for first target. If we drop below, hang on, guys. Oh, I got 3. First target at 51. We have to break below 49. Back to 1600 sellers. You can take first target at about 51. Come on. 1700 sellers. And if we break below that 49, it's coming down to 316. You dog. 1800 sellers. 1800 sellers, guys. 1800. We're picking up sellers, fellas. Come on. We're short on gold on the bot. There we go. Come on, break 49, it's dead. There you go. Target 1 off, free clear. Broke 49. Should come 16, 316. Little bit of support here at 38. There you go. Come on, got to 34. Let's go. 16. 16. All right, guys, we beat them like baby seals again. For those of you, see you in class, Greg. Everybody happy? There's 16. Come on, dog. 16. Got it. 16. 16. Free trade all the way now, fellas. All the way. All the way. Let's go get the lows. That's right. That's right. Start sizing you up for that seal jacket. Get you through the Eskimo winter, fellas. I really would like to see 240. Figures, and here comes SPY again. That damn thing is going to sell. It's holding VWAP. We're just putzing around with Ludwig level yellow. But if we break below, we got about 2 minutes and a minute and 20 seconds. And this should break lower. I think breaks lower into the days. We're at 2,400 sellers. 2,400 sellers. 2,500 sellers. The sellers are all over it, guys. All over it. I don't see how they can hold it here. 25, 70, 80. 40 seconds, and I think this thing blows. If we break below 280, it gets brutal. Below 280, it gets really bad. SPY right back to the original entry. You son of a gun. 30 seconds. Come on. There we go. New candle. We should drop down now to 280 area and then go. You got a $1,400 runner here, fellas. 1,400, 1,400. Nice way to end the week. Got him long, got him short, got him sideways. Got to break 280. Got to break 280. We're almost there. There it is. 280. 280. We're holding 280. 280 broke. Now we're going to target all the way down here. Come on. Don't you hold that. 3,200 on the sell side. 3,200. This could bounce back to 316. This could bounce to 316. Wherever your stop is, wherever you want it to be, Leo. Wherever you want it to be. You have a $1,200 runner, $1,000 runner, wherever you want to take your profits. I told you what's going to happen. We're going to bounce back to 216. And then we could actually bounce to 350. There are no buyers, but that's what could happen. They're trying to hold this low here. I want to stay below yellow. If we break above, I got to close my trade. Come on, get back below 294 and puke it up. They got 50 buyers here, guys. 2,800 plus sellers. No buyers. They lost them all. Guys, once we're at a first target, you guys have, again, the directive I always give the directive trade as you see fit. But once we're at a first target, you guys manage the trade as you see fit. Come on, got to drop below 94 again. Back to 3,000 sellers. Come on, let's go. New 15-minute candles, not for 2.5 minutes. If I had to venture a guess, the next 15-minute candle is when we puke. We need to break through this 74. We should come down to 242 is where this should come. But again, trade as you see fit. I want to see 220. $3,300 sellers. 3,300 sellers. Come on, just blow this thing the hell out. Got to get below 74. Then it's over but the crying. For real, for real. Hit the day low. Boom, new day low. Boom, new day low. Come on. Come on. Minute and 20 seconds to the next 15-minute candle, guys. Come on. Don't be bashful. 3,800 sellers. Don't be bashful. Come on, hit the skids. 40 seconds, next 15-minute candle. Come on. Come on, let's go new day low. Oh, slightly higher low. 15 seconds. 3,900 almost net sellers. 4, 3, 2, 1, and new 15-minute candle. We're getting a bounce. Getting a bounce. This could bounce back 38. We're going to 10 on the bounce if you guys want your money. We're going to 10. That's where I'll kill it. Come on. 400 buyers in this candle. They're really trying to hold it here, but I don't think they can. By the way, and I'm gold trade number 4, first target off. Five bot trades today, guys, all winners. YM still looks half decent. ES still looks half decent. long on that, Mimi? I'm sure, yeah. I'll take a look at it. Come on, break down. We're consolidating in here. We're not breaking down, which leads me to believe we're probably getting close. Jesus, nice. Yeah, the problem with coffee is that thing can kill you in a heartbeat. That goes against you $5 and you're sucking gasoline. Big time. Come on. 15-minute candles trying to dump. They're not going anywhere in 13 buyers, guys. Apple was a nice trade. If you have Apple puts, here it comes. Come on, one more break of that low, and this thing gets roasted. Here it comes. Here it comes. Back to 37. Out on gold on the runner on the bot. At 11 o'clock, I'll, of course, go over the bot trades. Bot is currently up 15.15. Not a bad 2 days. $2,200 bot week. $2,300 week. Pending any trades. Come on, NASDAQ. I mean, they're trying to hold the bottom here, guys. We need it to break. There's no pain in holding this trade. And I'm looking for a real break to 240. Another 30 handles. There's no longs. There are no longs. I mean, if I were to do this, look, and go to a 5-minute, get away from the 30 range, you would have no interest in taking a long, right? The 30 range is going to screw you up because it's just up and down, up and down, up and down. Here's a 5-minute. This will give you a better perspective. I want 240 is what I'm hoping to get. 240. But again, trade them for your accounts. If you guys have a runner going, you still have, $1,200-$1,300. We're consolidating for a move up. We could bounce. We're going to bounce to 10 and possibly 45. We're going to 10 and then 45. So trade them as you see fit. Yeah, Amazon's up $4. All right, guys. I'm going to kill this trade here. All right, guys. I'm out. I'm flat. Everybody's good, yes? Got another bot trade on the Russell. Trade number 2. Nice job, Sharon. Great job. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'm just going to go get coffee. NASDAQ is not a long, fellas. We're just now floating. Let me see if I can find us something else. YM, yeah, there's first target on Russell. That is 6 spot trades on the day, all winners. You can short YM. It's going to find some support at 513, 514, but a break of that takes us down to 464. Excuse me. ES is rolling. ES is short right now, 68. And SPY is coming. ES is short. Second target filled on the bot. NASDAQ's going to break down now. Damn it. I chinched out on the retrace. 4,300 sellers, guys. Anybody that's holding NASDAQ, your target is 240. 240, 242. Anybody still short? I think NASDAQ can go long to 72. Not that I'm wanting to try it. I'm just saying. Yeah, that's not going to happen, I don't think, until Europe is gone. We'll definitely get a bounce, but it won't be till 11:30. My opinion. Europe is stepping on the gas. They're stepping on the gas here on the short side. And then to go higher, they're going to have to run stops. So they'll try to dust Europe or leave all the shorts down here holding a bag. This could get brutal, guys. We could see 16,100. I mean, we've had a great trade. This is the only bot trade currently on. Nothing more in the YM. I still think YM is, the short. Let me go back through here. NASDAQ is shorts, guys. Not even close to a long. NASDAQ is shorts. We're sitting on a pivot. If this low breaks, here's your target on NASDAQ. 110 today. 110. I think we'll see that. YM did not get my target at 14. Came close. You're still in the money. Trade it as you see fit. I still think you'll get that 14.15 first target. ES, I gave the short already on the ES at 68. It's already short, 60. 68. 65 was first target. It's hanging out there. It needs to break, back below 64 to keep coming. There's no longs here. There are no longs. Russell, short Russell. Target is 16, Russell. It's 20. All right, I'm going to put a short on the Russell. There's a Russell short. Target one is 16. Maybe 17. All right, target one hit on YM. Target one has been hit on YM. Anybody short YM? It's blowing up now. It's blowing up. YM's blowing up. ES should trade to 60, 61. Anybody short YM? Huge trade, guys. Okay, Jay, good job. Anybody short RTY? Anybody short Russell? Okay, Hubba. Okay, fellas. Guys, monster trade today. Love me some volatility. Just love it. Love it. Oh, you missed me by 2 ticks. You are a dirt devil. We got 5, we got 4, we got 3. 3 ticks, guys, to that target if you want to take some risk off. Powell and Yellen to testify before a Senate Banking Committee on November 30th. Guys, I can get to 2. It's 1 or 2 ticks shy. If you guys, look, I took 2. Take 2 or take some risk off, and then it's free. I'm not going to screw around for $10. Anybody have any questions, guys? Any questions? I'm not ready to sell crude, no. Nape. Hang on, fellas. If you folks are here on trial, I hope you're enjoying the room. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. Well, it's not usually. I mean, it's long here. Schnikes. All right, I closed RTY. Yeah. I can't take an NQ long. This is me. I cannot take an NQ long right now unless we come up through about 250. I can't even think about it. We're definitely going to come to 220. Yeah, definitely. 220. Yeah. Yeah, as soon as we get rid of Europe, we'll get a bounce. Soon as Europe is gone, Zola. This afternoon, we'll get a bounce. Guys, NQ is headed to 125. I don't care. Yeah, 100. That's where it's coming. Caleb, yep. Look, I'm going to show you. Look at this daily on the NQ, okay? This is right here, your 21 period moving average, about 125. Nice job, Michael. Up 1,020. Never been over $1,000. Nice job. We are coming to 130. There is no way out. End of story. End of story. It's done. I don't care what anybody tells you. If the bounce is going to happen, it's down there. I'm not saying that we don't get a bounce today. There's our 120. Right? I'm not saying we don't bounce. What I'm saying is that's your target if you're a position or swing trader. 120. 107. Probably today. Yeah, I'm flat everywhere. I'm flat everywhere. See you at 1 o'clock, Daniel. 229, risk is 204. I guarantee you it's coming to 204. I guarantee it. I would be really, really reluctant. You could try a 1 minute scalp right here. Crude's going back up right now through its opening range high, if you like crude. Copper is well above its opening range high. And gold is in the lower part of the range, has neither broken. on the NASDAQ. Yeah, I will too. I will too. Boop-be-doo. All right, fellas. I am turning off my bots. It's 10:45. None of them are going to take any more trades. NASDAQ will not take a trade today. Russell, you got a shot if you want the trade, if it should take another trade. I'm not letting my bots. No, I'm not. Nope. Nope. That's a nice bounce. Boy, that came awfully close, right? Came down to 210.11. What's the target, Mimi? Is there a target? What was the original? What was the entry? What was your entry? 29? Yeah, 229. It's it it's got to get through. You guys can try a NASDAQ long here with a stop at 204. I'm not. We're going to get a bounce, guys. That I promise you. If you guys look at Skype, I gave you guys trades yesterday afternoon in Skype for the bounce. And I got all of my targets except for 611. We got to 600. Maybe 604, something like that. The only target I missed was 611. Again, if you guys have made your day, it's 10:52. I mean, everybody should have a freaking day in. Think about what you're doing, right? Don't let greed be a factor. If you have ticks and you can afford to take a burn, that's fine. And I'm on the cusp of closing this. Right now, I'm out. That's it. I took my shot. This isn't done selling. They're going to sell this into the close of Europe. 175 now. Nice job, Mark. Up $1,500 trading micros. Nice job. YM is actually holding in there. Looking at the markets, guys. NASDAQ's down 171, ES off 17 handles, YM is off 23, 25 points. Russell is off 20. Gold off 16 and a half. Oats is down. Copper is green. Silver is obviously down. Crude's up $1.37. Natural gas is up 26 cents. There goes your crude. I told you crude was longs. Anybody long gas? Nobody. Okay. Nobody knows. We're coming to 46.50. You're welcome, Jeffrey. NASDAQ's getting crucified. Guys, we're going to see 122 today, 107. That's where I would consider a long. 107. I don't know where you see 101, but okay. I'll spot you the 5. Anybody holding short still? This is a monster of all trades. Monster of monsters. Do. Do. Okay, Johan. Nice. What a beautiful trade. Anybody have any questions, guys? It's 11 o'clock. Let's go over bot trades. Okay. Here is the Russell. Russell took 2 trades today. We got this short on the open for 2 targets. Maybe today is the day. 2 targets. Trade number 2, all 3 targets hit. All 3 targets hit. Okay. That's the Russell, 2 for 2 today. NASDAQ, believe it or not, had no trades. Now they're selling them hard. Boy, that SPY trade is a freaking beast. I closed it at a loss. My ninja's being a jerk. There we go. No trades on the NASDAQ today. We're starting to pick up. Come on, yes. I can't even move the damn bots, guys. Here's gold. 4 trades on gold, all winners. Trade number 1, first target only. Trade number 2, all 3 targets. Trade number 3. And now trade number 4. All winners on gold today. 4 for 4. 4 for 4. ES was 1 for 1. I can't move the damn chart. I don't know why. My ninja is giving me fits here, fellas. 4 for 4. And last but not least, crude. Crude would have taken this short. Would have, well, hasn't gone to stop yet, but I'm not in that trade. I let the bot, or I shut the bot off when I told you guys I was shutting bots down. Here is ES, which I can't move the damn bot. Nonetheless, it's gone to target. Here is your bot total for the day. 2610. 2610. Yeah, Ninja, the performance platform for sure, right? Total joke. Hey, I'm not a Ninja ecosystem guy. I did see they came out with a new version, 25.